Pankaj Tripathi on rumours of replacing Paresh Rawal in Hera Pheri 3. I don't think, Nan, with Paresh Rawal stepping away from Hera Pheri 3, fans have taken to social media to suggest who should take over the beloved role of Babu Bia. Among the most mentioned names is acclaimed actor Pankaj Tripathi, whose performances have often struck the right balance between humour and depth. Nanak Sheikh cried after Paresh Rawal quit Hera Pheri 3 Nananan, but when asked about it in a recent chat with Bollywood Hungama, Pankaj Tripathi replied humbly and praised Paresh Rawal's works. And Tripathi's simple and honest reply made it clear he doesn't see himself taking over as Babu Bia. Even though fans want it, he said he can't replace someone he truly admires. Meanwhile, filmmaker Priyadarshan has spoken out about the exit and how it affected his co-star Akshay Kumar. In a recent chat with Midday, Priyadarshan shared that the trio Akshay, Sunil Shetty, and Paresh had already begun working on the film. All our contracts were signed 10 days ago. Sunil, Akshay, and Paresh shot a scene and the IPL Indian Premier League teaser. It was only after we unanimously agreed to do Hera Pheri 3 that Akshay bought the franchise rights, he said. Priyadarshan recalled an emotional moment with Akshay after Paresh left the project. Akshay had tears in his eyes when he asked me, "Priyan, why is Paresh doing this to us? Akshay shouldn't suffer financial losses because Paresh walked out on a whim. I understand that he will have to take whatever action is required," Priyadarshan added. Nanan and Sunil Shetty said Paresh Rawal has agreed to meet and talk about why he suddenly left Hera Pheri 3. This comes after Akshay Kumar sued him for 25 rupees crore. Sunil said he was really looking forward to the film and felt heartbroken when Paresh quit. Latest blogs